Hey everyone, it's Miss Lynch. I wanted to share with you that we just ordered, based on some of your requests from last year, some ebooks for our library from the Lightbox book series. And I'm going to share with you how to access them on Destiny. If you need any help, please let me know. But if you wanted to go ahead and explore, you can. These are Lightbox ebooks, which they come with some activities, they come with web links, they come with some videos, so I'll kind of show you how to play around with them. We also, all of these books are available for unlimited viewing, which means that if you wanted to assign your kids one of these books to read as a class, like all 25 to 35 of them, could log into Destiny using their OCS user number and password, and they could access these ebooks. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Google Chrome icon for Destiny from the desktop and select Swansboro Elementary School. And you're going to open up what is called Destiny Discover. It's like the new cool version of our online catalog. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Your login is your first name dot last name, and your password is admin1. If you have any trouble with that, please let me know and I can help reset it for you. So while you're logging in, you're going to open up our sort of home page, and you can see up here you have a little My Profile icon that you can play around with. You have your search bar up top where you can, of course, search for any books. We have our recently added bookshelf, our topics where you can search by genre, popular titles, and if you scroll down, you get our Lightbox series and then ebooks. Lightbox are the books that we have just added to our collection. And I know 3rd and 5th grade had requested some last year, so they are mostly, so these are ones that they thought would apply to their curriculum from last year. I'm going to go ahead and click on Jupiter, the planet, from the Planet series. And once you open it up, you can select it as a favorite if you want to sort of save this for, future reference. You can also open it up. And once you open it, again, this is all your kids should be able to open this book once they're logged into Destiny at the same time. And you have some icons. You have video, activity, web, slideshow, maps, quiz, keywords. Those will apply to like every time you open up a page, you'll see some of those icons at the top, not all of them, but we'll see what some of the options are when you get there. So we're going to go ahead and go to the next page, and you can play an awesome galactic video.
Hey everyone, welcome to Active Galactic Videos. My name is Tate.
You can X out of there and you can sort of share that video with your kids. You can go ahead and read.
Jupiter looks like it has stripes. These stripes are gas clouds. Gas clouds make red.
And so it's definitely very robotic, but if the kids would like to have the book read to them, they can click on that option. At the top there is another, so you can see your icons kind of pop up at the top. An activity icon usually opens up a PDF file of an activity that might be applicable for that page. I have seen a couple word searches, a couple vocabulary things. This one looks like it's just a maze. So it kind of, some of them might be more helpful to you than others, but they might be fun also. Up here you have the web activity. You can click on it, it'll open up. I've seen some NASA websites, some other websites where you can do some further research, which I thought was pretty cool for the kids to access. I haven't done the slideshow yet, but a Jupiter slideshow has lots of really cool pictures. Awesome. And another video. So each page sort of has a different activity, keywords, a nice little, you can, and it looks like the keywords are not necessarily space related, but maybe from the text. And then we have a quiz. So I believe each book comes with a quiz. So there's a little, question, multiple choice question from the text. Maps. Ooh, very cool. It is the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station viewed from Google Maps. So if you wanted to sort of look at that more in depth, you could certainly look up Google Maps or Google Earth. But anyway, go back to home, and once you're finished with the text, you can scroll down some of here. We have, oh, these are maybe all the activities from this book at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. So it has it all in a several page worth of PDF files. So you could look up, if you wanted any extension activities after they finish reading, you could certainly do something like that. And that is pretty much it. I think each book has some similar text, and again, you're able to like assign this book to your whole class or a reading group because all of the students can log into Destiny and search it at the same time and look at it at the same time. If you have any questions, please come see me. I just wanted to do a quick, video for you guys so you guys can get access to these right away. Please let me know if you need anything. Thank you.